Hani Rambod. I'm here with King Snake, Steve Kuklo. We're 4 weeks out from the Mr. Olympia. Just flew in from Denver, came over, check up on Steve, and he's getting ready to do a stack here, so I wanted to take a quick minute, explain what we're doing, why we're doing it, because everybody keeps emailing me saying, how do I take EVP? How do I take CellChem? How do I take Glycoject? So I'm going to give you a brief rundown on how we're doing things and why we do what we do. EVP and Glycoject, right now, he's looking a little bit flat, so we actually add the Glycoject on those weaker body part days when he's dieting. Off season, he uses it all throughout the day, takes it, post-workout, intra-workout, pre-workout, in the morning. He just kind of, loads on it just like if it was anabolic Kool-Aid. But right now, because we're dieting, we're trying to get really lean, we only use it on the days on those weaker body part days. Right now, chest, we're trying to get that 3D look. So we're stacking EVP and Glycoject together, pre-workout. He'll be sipping on a little bit of Glyco with a little bit of CellChem during the workout and post-workout. So that way you're getting your branch chains, you're getting your carbs, forcing that in the muscle, and then we get that really good fullness effect while we're getting the workout in. But again, only once, maybe twice a week on the weaker body part days, because we're trying to get shredded. If you keep doing it every day, it will hinder your conditioning because you're not going to be able to burn off all those carbs and use body fat. So that's why we only do it on once, maybe twice a week. And we got a contest going too. So if you picture any pictures on Instagram or Facebook, actually let's say just Facebook because we did Instagram last time. Anybody that wants to put a picture of themselves, an impressive picture of themselves with one of the Evogen products, would you like this King Snake belt? You'll get a King Snake belt. So we're gonna give out one of these. So contest is gonna go all week long. You better put some impressive pictures up there with the Evogen product, and you're gonna get yourself a King Snake belt. Hani Rambod, Steve Kuklo, the King Snake. We're gonna get ready to kill back right now. 3-dimensional, thick lats, really thick three-dimensional rhomboids. That's what we're gonna work for today. So follow us through the workout.
Kill it.
Yeah, buddy. Come on, Kooks. Kookie. How many is that? 8? Okay, go up, hold it. Up, hold it. Up, and slow. Up. Come on. Come on. Slow. Up. There you go. Slow. Up. Hold it. Come on. One more. Hold it, Steve. Hold it. Stop. No, get your ass back. Make sure you're more seat. There you go. Good. Chest up towards the floor. There you go. Good. Just like that. There you go. Good. Bring yourself forward. Good. You see how his toes aren't way out, but they're not way in? It's right in between. Not way out, not way in. Good. Come on. Squeeze. See here. Already here. Good. Keep going. Good. Good. Keep going. 2. Come on. 2. 1 more. Good. Work on that margin. No. Bend over. Get that weight out in front of you. There. Control it. Okay. Good. Okay, now rack it. Get your hand. Take your hand down. No, keep your hand to the outer muscle. Just like that. Just a little bit left. get that mind-muscle connection here. So, come on, dude. Come on, make it work. I didn't come out here for some bullshit. Let's go. Show me. Control it. That's good. Good. Now. Good, Steve. Good job. Good job. Better. 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 First time I've ever seen you do a real run. Hand up, get it a little higher. There you go. Okay, keep the dumbbell. There you go. Bring up the front of the dumbbell a little bit. Bring up the front of the dumbbell a little bit. This one. Tilt it up. Right there. There you go. That's it. That's it. Good. That's it. Good. Good. A little more stretch, but keep your chest up. And you stretch it. Like that. Boom. Good. Like that. Right in there. Chest up. Keep that chest up. Just like if you're doing the bent over rows. Go, lightweight. Keep that straight. Chest up. Own it. Pull. Good. Come on. Pull. Come on. Pull. There you go. Come on, Steve. Come on. 4 weeks. Let's go. Come on. There you go. Give me 4. 1, 2. Come on. 3. One more. That's it. Right there. Let's go. That's it. All the way. All the way up. Control. Pull. There you go. Chest up. Chest up. Keep it up. There you go. Come on. Drive. There you go. 2, 2. One more. One more. And 1. And 1. Good job. That should make your asshole sore. Stop. Watch your chest. Own it. Watch your chest. Pull. Come on. Good. Good. Right there. Come on. Come on. Lightweight. Come on. Come on. One more, Steve. Good job. Yep. Yeah, here. Perfect. Pass it. Good. Good. It's more of a stretch and contract instead of an arch and contract. Come on. Come on. Go. Come on. Go. Good. Yeah. Come on. Easy. Easy. Good stretch. Good stretch and pull. Good. 2, 2. One more. Yeah. Show me, Steve. Show me. Good. Chest up. Like that. Ass up. Ass up. Ass up. Ass up. There you go. Good little stretch. And pull. There you go. Good. Good. That's it. That's no, that's good. Go. That's good. Pull. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Come on. Good. Good. Come on, come on. Up. Go again. You feeling that stretch? Yep. Good. What I want you to do is turn that dumbbell that way. Good. There you go. Good. I want you to turn that dumbbell. Good. Oh, there you go. Now turn it up behind you. Turn it. Go. Go, go, go. Turn it so this faces away from you. Go, 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 go. Come on, 2 more. 2 more. One, that way. Good, good, good. Up, 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 up. Two more. One more.
Hey everybody, Steve Kuplo here with Hani Rambod. We just finished up back workout, 4 weeks out of Mr. Olympia. So Hani came out to Dallas, super spent today. I mean, Hani killed it, and that's kind of.
I didn't kill it. You killed it.
I killed it. He killed me. So I killed the plates. But ultimately, you know, we're trying to build my back, trying to improve it. Being one of the weaker body parts, it's you know, just one of the body parts that when Hani's here, he can see little imperfections, little tweaks on form. So had a great workout. Feel it. You know, good pump being 4 weeks out, which is hard to do, especially on a weak body parts. You know. So one of the things I like to do while I work out, I drink 2 scoops of Cell-Chem. I throw it in my water bottle, so you see me drinking the colored water. That was Cell-Chem, and then after my workout, I get 2 more scoops. You know, to help accelerate recovery, help with soreness. So within, you're talking, you know, I'm not dead for 3 days. You know, I may be sore. It's cut my soreness and recovery time in half. So, and then like today, since we're doing back, being a body part, trying to improve and keep full into the show. I'm using the new Glycoject flavor, which is the new wild berry flavor, but I use Glycoject on certain body parts that I want to either, if it's a little bit flat, we'll use to help fill out. So, you know, mix the Cell-Chem with the Glycoject. 2 and 2 right now is what I'm using, and I'll go ahead and pound those and then head home and go get a meal. And so that's the post-workout plan. 4 weeks out of Mr. Olympia, EVG Nutrition with Hani Rambod, Steve Kuplo. Peace.